Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. We're going to start this video with saying bye to Slade because today's video will be rather interesting or rather curious. We are going to try and attempt to present ourselves as media or a journalist. I'm going to the Jacob Javits Center where the New York International Auto Show will be taking place a few days from now, and I am going to attempt to present myself as a journalist. So I brought my Car Ghost business cards. I have my Instagram account ready on my phone and my YouTube page. So wish me luck. Let's go and see how it goes. Also, the more engaged viewer is going to notice that I am rocking the Lowepro ProTactic 450 AW, standing for all weather, and that added to the massive Joby tripod that I have in my hand and waving around my bigger camera are all tells that I'm a prominent photographer slash videographer, and therefore I could be part of the media crew of my very famous YouTube channel, which now has 382 subscribers. We have a long way to go to 1,000, guys. Let's get this channel to 1,000 so we can keep this thing monetized. Also, while we're having the big camera in hands, why not take some nice pictures and videos of the city that it is, New York. Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, 2 trains later, we're at Hudson Yards where Javits Center is. Also note this train station, it's really nice. This is one of the newest train stations in New York City and is the last stop of the 7 train in Manhattan. 34th Street, Hudson Yards. Let's go up and go in Javits Center. Alright, we're at the Javits Center. That thing is massive, look at this, look. Also, some of the installations are being made right now, and we're gonna try and get a sneak peek at some of the cars that are here now. But first, let's go and try to register for a media pass. This is so complicated, I already get lost twice. Oh, I think that's where I'm supposed to begin. Let's go there. Apparently this is the press line I gotta be on. Let's see what the requirements are for me to get that media pass. Success! We have a Car Ghost YouTube channel media pass. So tomorrow I'm gonna be coming and filming the New York International Auto Show as part of the media. Thank you very much. I know congratulations over here is in order. Well, we have a BMW 330 diesel and a Chrysler Pacifica there, but that's not important. Let's go and see if we can find something to film today before I get home, or actually rather I gotta go to work now. First we're gonna go to the media center and get some information, a map and a list of events that are coming up and a schedule. Alright, I got the official brochures from the media center and as well as the schedule for tomorrow's event. But pick these classic cars. I don't know much about classics. Look at these. That's a Bugatti. And if you just turn around right there, you're gonna see the Lamborghini Miura. Lamborghini Miura is the first supercar and the one that sparked, actually was a product of the rivalry between Enzo Ferrari and Ferruccio Lamborghini. Let's go see if we can find something else exciting to shoot before I end this video. Go to work. Alright, you can see the setup going on over here. This is usually the 4th section of the event. Always, we saw the Ford GT there last time. We were in the New York International Auto Show, but now everything is under construction, so I'm not gonna butt in and interfere with anything they're doing. I'm just gonna look around a little more. All right, I secretly snuck in the New York International Auto Show while it's under construction. You can note the Alfa Romeo stand right here. But before I get kicked out, because I am going to get kicked out quite soon, I'm gonna try and sneak peek a few of the cars that are here. Panamera Turbo S being detailed over here. I want to try and find where the Manhattan Motor Cars is. Alright, we got these fashionable socks right here. And this is the way we can get into the Porsche stand, because let me show you something. This is the GT3 RS. Alright. And that's regular Carrera S. There is something special behind this cover. It appears to be something like the GT2 RS or some other classic. But I'm really excited to see what it is tomorrow. You also gotta stay tuned for tomorrow, guys. Guys, we found one of the best cars possibly on this display. That's the Koenigsegg Regera. There we go. That thing is sick.
Driver focus. Recognize the driver and special parts of their preference. They can adjust the seats, the radio. So that is shared car.
That is just sick. This is one of the rarest cars in the world. And you guys have a first look of it here. Cargo's channel.
Compact SUV. And the only car available to investors. Now, Driver Focus continues to launch leadership and take it to the next level. Furthering our leadership in response to cancer. The Forester is built on Subaru's already legendary gold platinum, and of course, features our world-renowned Metrical all-wheel drive. Instead of interior comfort, combined classic.
Just notice how the driver is using gloves to drive the car around the showroom floor. This right here is Manhattan Motor Cars, best of the best.
What you get in Forester is capability. What you get in Forester is adventure. What you get in Forester is a life you can love. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the all-new fifth generation Subaru.
Judging by this Chiron Sport sign over there, we're gonna get to see the Chiron Sport tomorrow. What is it? Guys, I'm super excited about tomorrow's media event at the Javits Center, and well, it's gonna be exciting. Stay tuned. I'm gonna end this video right here with a little montage of the cars that are here. See you tomorrow. You don't wanna miss it. If you haven't, subscribe and hit the like button for a lot more videos to come. Bye!